Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough video of this 2018 Chevy Cruze with the LT package. It comes with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, great on fuel, but still has a little bit of pep. We got the halogen automatic headlights, 16-inch rims, you get the heated outside mirrors, and it does have blind spot alert. It's keyless entry, so it's touch entry here and touch start. Down the side here, just looking at the condition, couple little light scratches, nothing too major. As we come back here, it does have the rear park assist sensors, and I always like to point out the cargo space in the Chevy Cruze. Lots of room in there, and you can drop those back seats down as well to gain more cargo space. Down the side here, again, just kind of looking at the overall condition, couple little light scuffs there, another one there. I want to point out it does come with a sunroof, but overall this vehicle is in great condition. So I'm inside this 2018 Chevy Cruze, and I just want to go over a few of the features that this vehicle has on the interior. So it does come with power windows, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. It has a power trunk release down here on the door, and it does come with the Bose sound system speakers. Great sounding system. Over here to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, we have our controls for our driver information center up front, and we also have your Bluetooth controls here as well. Now on the back, we have paddles that control the volume, and you can search, flip through your favorites on your radio. So over to the radio, we have a touchscreen radio in this vehicle. As mentioned, it comes with Bluetooth. Comes with OnStar navigation, so that requires a subscription. However, you can project your Google Maps through the projection app here up on the screen. So great little features there. Climate control area down here, and we have your AC and also the heated seats for the front seats. Down below, we have our charging area. So we have our USB port here, and we have our auxiliary, and we have a 12-volt plug-in. Just moving back here, as I mentioned, at the back of the vehicle, it has the park assist sensors. You can disable them with that button. And you also have StabiliTrak here and traction control, and you can disable that here as well. I already mentioned the sunroof, but from the inside, it looks great. And then up here, we have part of our safety system is our OnStar buttons. So I want to jump in the back seat and show you the condition. So I'll meet you back there. So I'm in the back seat of this 2018 Chevy Cruze. I want to just point out that it has a USB charger back here for your passengers. And I just wanted to go over the condition of the back seat as well. Overall, in great condition. There's no burns or stains or rips. So, as I mentioned when I was in the trunk, these seats do fold down. This one will as well. And that creates a lot of room for extra cargo. So there you have it, the 2018 Chevy Cruze. Now this pre-owned vehicle has just over 73,000 kilometers. It is a certified unit, so you will get bumper to bumper on this vehicle for 3 months. And it also has factory warranty remaining on it. Great, clean little car, great on fuel. If you want to test drive this vehicle, give me a call at 403-845-3328, and I'll schedule you in.